previous class we have discussed two methods. Let us recall integration of dx by ax square plus bx plus c. One more method, integration of dx by under root of ax square plus bx plus c. If it is this form, the denominator ax square plus bx plus c, okay, convert in terms of a into x minus some constant, x minus alpha whole square minus some constant beta square, or plus or minus. When you substitute here, this is in the form of dx integration by x square minus a square or x square plus a square, or integration of dx by a square minus x square. Use these three formulas for this. To solve this, use these three formulas. Okay. To make this form, first you take the a common, coefficient of x square, make it 1. Okay. Then after use a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square. That form you should get. After getting the form, you get either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Okay. When you substitute here 1 by x square minus a square, that x minus alpha x plus alpha equal to t, you get this formula. Tell me the formula 1 by x square minus a square formula. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus c. X square plus a square formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Integration of dx by a square minus x square 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. If it is square root, here no roots. Here square root is there. The same procedure. This place if you apply here, we get 1 by root a integration of dx by under root of x plus or minus alpha whole square plus or minus beta square. This is containing the form of integration of dx square root of x square minus a square, square root of x square plus a square, square root of dx by a square minus x. Use these three formulas. If it is this form, what is the formula of this? Log of x plus under root of x square plus a minus a square. This also say log of x plus under root of x square plus a square. What about this? Sine inverse of x. Okay. We should follow strictly methods. As per the methods, as per this method, what are the steps? You follow the strictly those steps. Now, yesterday we have left. We have not discussed. In example 9, question number 3, integration dx by under root of 5x squared minus 2x. This is contained in the form of method integration dx by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Second method, square root. Okay, first this we have to make either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Consider 5x square minus 2x. 5 take common, x square minus 2 by 5x. Right? 5 into a square minus 2ax b. By taking how much we will get 1 by 2 by 5? 1 by 5. That 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. Add a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. This formula. That we should substitute there. Integration of dx by square root of 5x square minus 2x equal to dx by square root of 5 into x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square. 1 by let x minus 1 by 5 equal to 3. Then dx equal to dt. 1 by root 5 take common. Integration dx by square root of t square minus 1 by 5 whole square. which form it contain? X square minus a square. Tell me the formula. Integration dx by square root of x square minus a square equal to log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. This formula. So which is equal to 1 by root 5 log of x means t plus t square minus a square plus change the variable because t is unknown. Log of t is equal to x minus 1 by 5 x minus 1 by 5 plus square root of x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus a square. A square means here 1 by 5 whole square. 1 by 5 whole square plus 1 by root 5 log of x minus 1 by 5 plus square root of x minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 1 by 5 whole square equal to 5x square. 5x square minus 2x by 5. Finish. So 1 by root 5 log of x minus 1 by 5 the square root of x square minus 2 by 5x plus c. This is the answer for that. For example, if root not there, what answer to get? If root not there, then the form of dx by x square minus a square. X square minus x square formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus. Use that formula. Next, one more is model. Integration dx by square root of 2x minus x square. This also contains the same method. Dx square root under root of quadratic equation should be there. It's also quadratic equation. If it is not quadratic equation, this method is not applicable. Strictly, that form should be in the form of square root of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c may be constant, may be 0 also. Consider 2x minus x square. First, make it coefficient of x square as in 1. X square minus 2x. So minus a square minus 2a. P is how much? 1. P is how much? 1. Correct? So b square add and subtract. So a square minus 2ab plus b square which is equal to minus x minus 1 whole square minus 1 square. Multiply with minus. Why? Because if you write direct here, minus we can't take out because square root is big. Root minus does not exist. So root under what is there, that always it should be positive. So minus is there, again minus multiply this. So it changes. This became a plus 1 square minus x minus 1 whole square. That we should substitute there. Integration of dx by square root of 2x minus x square equal to dx by 2x minus x square equal to 1 square minus x minus 1 whole square. Let x minus 1 equal to then dx is equal to d. So integration of dt by root of 1 square minus t square. Which form it contain? Yes, integration of dx by square root of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse of x by a. This form. So this is equal to sine inverse of x means t by 1. So sine inverse of t where t is equal to x minus 1 plus. Question number 10. Integration 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 2dx. Tell me, this is in the form of method integration of dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Consider this part x square plus 2x plus 2. X square plus 2ax. Let us assume a square plus 2a b. By taking how much we'll get 2x? 1. That square, add 1 square and subtract 1 square. Why? Because we'll get a plus b whole square form. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And next one more constant is there, it is constant average. Up to this, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now integration of dx by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2. Dx by under root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Let x plus 1 equal to d, then dx equal to dt. So integration dt by root of d square plus 1. This is the form of dx by square root of x square plus d square equal to log of x plus square root of x square plus d square. So log of t plus square root of d square plus d square. Okay, where the log of t is equal to x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 plus x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square equal to this x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. If root not there, the formula is this 1 by t square plus 1. 1 by t square plus 1 means 1 by d tan inverse of x by d. Is tan inverse of. Question number 11. Integration 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5x. 9x. This is the form of first method. 1 by ax square plus bx plus c. Right? 9x square plus 6x plus 5. First we should take common 9. Because the coefficient of x square. Make it as 1. X square plus 6 by 9x plus 5. 9 into a square plus 2a x b. By taking how much we get 6 by 9? 3 by 6 by 9. No, it's cancel here. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 2 by 6. 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Correct? Minus 2x by 3. This b square 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9. 9 into a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9. So 9 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 plus 5 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So 9 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 whole square, which is in the form of x square plus a square. Integration dx by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to dx by 9 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 whole square. Let x plus 1 by 3 equal to t. X differentiation is dx equal to t. Now 1 by 9 integration dx become a dt by this is equal to t square plus 2 by 3 whole square. It is in the form of dx by x square plus x square. Formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus. So 1 by 9 into 1 by a 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by A 2 by 3 plus C. It comes here 3 1 by 6 tan inverse of, it comes up 3t by 2 plus C. 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3 C is equal to x plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 by 6 tan inverse of 3 get cancelled 3x plus 1 by 2 plus C. Question number 12. Integration dx by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x squared. This is the form of integration of dx by square root of ax square plus dx plus c. Consider 7 minus 6x minus x squared minus, we should take off first, x squared plus 6x minus 7. So minus of x squared plus 2axb. By taking how much we get 6x. This is b square, add b square and minus b square. Is there any change? No. Minus, after this, a square plus 2ab plus b square, x plus 3 whole square. Minus 9 minus 7, minus 16. Minus 3 square, 9 minus 7, 16. So multiply by minus because root is there. It comes as 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. Substitute in that. Integration of dx by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square equal dx by square root of 16 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square. Let x plus 3 equal to d. Then dx equal to dt. Integration of dt by square root of 4 square minus d square. A square minus x square, formula sin inverse of x by a t by 4 plus c sin inverse of t x plus 3 by 4 plus c. If you apply differentiate and simplify, we get this, because the integration is antiderivative. Next, the question number 13. Integration dx by square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2. It is a quadratic equation, but it is in the form of factorization. First you multiply this. We will get integration of dx by square root of x into x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 2. Now in the form of this, square root of ax square plus bx plus c. What's it that say? You will try yourself. X square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 2axb. How much? By taking how much we get minus 3x? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. That is b. So add b square. 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Constant is plus. So this is the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 plus 2 x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 plus 8 minus 1 by 4. Minus 9 plus 8 minus 1 by 4. Okay, that we can write x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Integration of dx by square root of x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to dx by square root of x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, which is in the form of dx by square root of x square minus a square equal log of x plus x square minus a square. So log of x means x plus 3 by 2 plus x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus a square 1 by 2 whole square. Now log of x plus 3 by 2, x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square, which is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c. And try yourself. The question number 14 is the homework. Question number 14 is the homework. Question number 15 I will discuss. Question number integration dx by square root of x minus a into x minus b. This is a quadratic equation, but which is in the form of factorization. Multiply first. X and x square minus or first term. I can write direct lines. X and x minus a into x minus b equal to x square minus ax minus bx plus a. Okay, so x square minus a take common, a plus bx plus c. X square minus 2ax b by how much step will get a plus b? A plus b by 2. That b square a plus b by 2 whole square, add and subtract a plus b by 2 whole square plus a. Up to this, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to x minus of a plus b by 2 whole square. Okay. Minus this is a plus b whole square by 4 plus a. Let's simplify this. X minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus plus, you take LCM here 4. Okay, minus a here. Now tell me a plus b whole square minus plus minus 4ab. Getting LCM 4ab. A plus b whole square minus 4ab equal a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Correct? A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here minus 4ab. Remaining minus 2ab. Plus 2ab minus 4ab equal to minus 2ab. Then a plus b whole square minus 4ab equal to a minus b whole square. Understood? X minus a minus b by 2 whole square plus here a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab by 4. This get 2ab minus 4ab minus 2ab. Then a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a minus b whole square. So which is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b whole square by 4. So x minus of a plus b by 2 whole square, whole square is up, minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Substituting this, integration of dx by square root of x minus a into x minus b equal to dx by tell me here x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Let x minus a plus b by 2 equal to t. Actual differentiation is dx. This is constant differentiation is 0. T differentiation is t. Now integration of dt by square root of t square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. A minus b by 2 whole square. Which form it contains? X square minus x square square root. Tell me the formula. Integration dx by square root of x square minus x square equal to log of x plus x square minus x square. Now, by using this formula, log of x is t plus square root of t square minus a minus b by 2 whole square plus log of t is equal to x minus a plus b by 2 plus this is x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square plus log of x minus a plus b by 2 plus this is equal to x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square, which is equal to x minus alpha into x minus beta plus c. Or we can write this also expansion form. Okay, instead of expansion form, this is a short form of that. Okay, because here two product terms are there.